drink with coffee, life is good. I'd planned to camp out next to the water, but went out there and the bugs are just way too bad. So we're going to stay up here by the trees. At least that's what they call them. All right. Now we'll get the chorizo going. I honestly have no clue how this is going to work out. Or if it's going to work out, I may regret it. Give it a shot. It looks chorizo-y. I gotta tell you, that looks like a lot of chorizo. That may be too much chorizo. I'm a little worried. Here, you sit down here and keep an eye on it for me. Looks good though. Well, my camera died, but while you were away, I got the Sloppy Joe sauce put in there. So we'll let that cook for a while and see what happens. Well, we're gonna call that done. That's a hell of a lot of Sloppy Joe. I didn't plan on leftovers. What the hell am I gonna do with all that? Well, I got some brioche slider rolls because I thought this would be a little different than it is. So I think we're just gonna do these open face. See how this works. Well, let's give this a shot. It's not bad. It's incredibly spicy. Which is what you'd expect from chorizo. Was it worth the effort? I don't think so. I don't think I'd do it again. You ever ate something and think that's going to give me heartburn? This is it. Turned out a lot better than I thought it would. Well, I think I'm going to have a few more, or one more, clean up my mess, and get ready for bed. We'll see you in a bit. Well, I got everything cleaned up, and I got my pajamas on. We're going to watch a movie, and we'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning. We're up early this morning. I gotta be at work a little bit, so it's almost 6 o'clock. The wind is blowing like crazy as usual, like northwest 20, 25s. So anyway, we're up. We got coffee made, and we're gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.